Hello everybody, how's it going? It's your boy Harley Fat Boy Jr. Just want to do a quick video. Man, I got a really nice gift in the mail from one of my subscribers, and I still can't believe it. It's a GoPro Hero 9, which is what I use currently. But apparently they want to see another side of me on the bike, so I guess I'll be putting a camera on the bar so you can kind of, obviously, thank God I'll have my helmet on because, it's not the greatest view without the helmet. But yeah, so I'm super stoked, about to unbox this right now or unpackage it. But yeah, huge shout out to Robert. Appreciate you. Really means a lot to me. So thank you so much. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and unwrap this right now. And I'm just a little shocked, a little excited, super happy, blessed obviously. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this going. I mean, is this really necessary? Absolutely. Yeah, this makes it so much easier. Wow. Brand new GoPro Hero 9, black. And if you know me, I'm all about black, so pretty stoked. Got it here, alright. Peekaboo! Get it out of the way. Ah, why not? Alright. Let's go and open this bad boy up. Woohoo! Alright, see what we got in here. Alright. There she is. Brand new camera. It's GoPro. A couple batteries in there. Some gadgets. Some hardware in here to mount if you want to mount a helmet or whatever you want to use it for. Obviously, I pretty much have everything I need to slap this on the bike. Also comes with the SIM card. Oh, this one's 64 gigs. The first one I got was only 32. Like, what are you gonna do with that? You can't even record anything in 4K for more than 5 minutes in that. So, pretty stoked. And then, funny because my daughter got me this as a gift. Her and her boyfriend got me this, as well as the helmet front side mount. So I got the large 2 mount that I'll put on the bars because my bars are pretty thick. They're 2 inches, so this should be able to fit on the bars to mount the GoPro. And then this, I don't know. This might be part of a giveaway. We'll see. But yeah, so I got the new GoPro. Again, Robert, thank you so much. Appreciate it. That'll be going on there. So pretty stoked. Alright, cool. So got the tube mount, which is for my daughter because at some point I planned on doing this. But obviously I got the 14-inch apes, but the bars are 2 inches thick. Down there, I'll probably mount it. I don't know. It's gonna be interesting because it's not really like I got a whole lot of room, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll definitely be mounting that there. And then, yeah, this table I just need to get out of the way. Like I literally, I don't even work out because. I don't know, maybe because I'm too lazy to just pull this table out over here so that I can work out. But yeah, anyway, I'm all about making excuses lately. One of the projects is the Black Label Special Edition, the Road Rider rear turn signal lights, the LEDs. Put those on the bike. Then I got the smoked out lenses, dark smoke lenses. Got my auto recorder, the Tascam DR05X. This was also I got a friend of mine that runs a guitar center, one of the local guitar centers here in Oregon. Gave me a really good deal on that. I couldn't pass up. I don't know, who knows? I might use that for just doing stuff around the garage so that I don't have to keep going into my GoPro and changing, the mic from, rear to front or whatever. Suction cup, that might be a giveaway. giveaway. Put these bad boys on. This shouldn't take too long. You like that? Gloss black rear axle nut covers. Slap those on. This was also a gift from my wife, because I was always complaining about having the worst lighting. So I guess just to kind of do stuff around the house if I'm recording stuff. Right now the sun's out, so we're not really struggling for lighting. This right here, I don't know, man. This is Fuel Moto AC/DC air cleaner. And, you know, obviously on the Milwaukee 8s, it's already a big, you know, air cleaner. So, and I kind of like this look a lot better than, you know, what Fuel Moto has to offer as far as this AC/DC air cleaner. The cool thing, though, is this AC/DC air cleaner has a Typhoon air cleaner cover, and it's pretty sick. It's clear on the outside. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to mess around and just kind of, you know, just change it up for the fun of it, or what I'm going to do with that. But we'll see, to be continued. Otherwise, it'll probably be a giveaway. I don't know, maybe 500 subs or 1,000 subs, or I don't know. We'll see. Try to make it fun, include everybody. Oh yeah, so I got these spacers. So when we swapped out, shout out to my brother Ben. He just did an awesome job helping me out with the pipes and the bars. But when we put the new pipes on, TBR shorty turnouts, we the spacers came with it, so obviously the heat shields kind of come out. The pipes come out a little bit more than the stock pipes do, so the floorboards, you know, I got big feet, so if you can, with my boot on, you know, my boot is always, you know, touching the pipes, and I kind of, it's kind of irritating. So I'm always like, my feet are just kind of leaning out on the floorboard a little bit. So go ahead and add these spacers on. So you got the spacers, 2 for the actual floorboard. Oh, lost a part, and then 1 for the brake. So I'll bring that out too. Oh, get back here. And yeah, so it should come out probably like 1/2 inch, which would be great. I mean, that way I don't have to worry about my boot scuffing up the thing. But yeah, so we'll slap these on soon. And what else? I don't know. This was part of the free goodies that I got from my boy from Harley, so I don't know if I'm gonna put that up somewhere or maybe a giveaway. We'll see. Right now I got this bad boy that I really like. I love this because I can kind of hang my jackets up and just put my helmet on there like that. But as you can see, I got an old helmet right there. And who knows, I might get another helmet. But yeah, so this is pretty much a project table. Oh, and I also got, man, I got mail from all these people. Man, appreciate it so much. Junkyard Dadski, some stickers, NVA Rider out of Michigan, Junkyard's out of Illinois, Pearl Glide. This guy is awesome. If you guys do not follow this guy and his wife on Instagram, you got to follow them. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, but super cool dude out of California. I think Woodbridge, California. I think it's near like Stockton area, I think. Anyway, if you're familiar with California. And then also Goofy Bastard. This guy's awesome. I love this guy. I love them all. They're amazing. But shout out to them for sending me goodies. I got to open that up, and I think so far I got one from, yeah, Midlife for the bike. So I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do with stickers, and I think there's some poker chips in here too. So I still don't have a logo, so I have no gear to give away or swap or anything like that, but I'm sure I will someday soon. What else? Oh, and then I got this cool little license plate frame that I need to put on. It's pretty cool. Little silicone action. Of course, it's black. Alright, well that's it. Just want to do a quick video and kind of just give a shout out to Robert and also my boy Ryan for the hookup for the audio recorder. But again, man, I'm speechless. I don't even know. I mean, obviously I've said over and over again, let them know how thankful I am and how grateful I am. So super stoked, man. I appreciate it. Obviously I'm small time. I'm really enjoying this and having a good time, and the support online has just been amazing. And like, I don't know what to say. Just thank you so much. Appreciate it. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this out to you guys. Just want to make sure I do this unboxing with the GoPro 9 and set myself up for success. And hopefully you guys enjoy seeing my big noggin and on that other camera facing me. So, but you guys know what to do. Mahalo so much for taking part and supporting the channel, and just appreciate all the love and support. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed, and keep spreading the love, people, because we need it. Boom.
Be sure to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications when we upload new videos.